Okay. Hello there. This is Tamara Rubin, Let's Save Mama, Let'sSaveMama.com. This is my son, AJ Rubin.
Hello.
AJ's 17 and is helping me with a couple little experiments today. We're doing some dust wipe samples using a test kit, certifiedkit.com, right here. And we're doing this. This is number 3 out of 5 tests. We're going to be testing the book, Harry the Dirty Dog. And we know that Harry the Dirty Dog has like 3,000 to 4,000 parts per million lead in the paint on the cover, but it also, that includes the substrate, the yellow cover. So we're gonna test it. It's less than a square foot. You wanna tell people how big it is?
Yeah, it's 8.5 by 11 inches.
So the book is 8.5 by 11. So
we will just make a note of that.
Yes. When we come up with the number of micrograms, it won't be per square foot. It will be a number of micrograms per...
It'll be per square foot, but we'll have to do some math to get that.
To get that number, yeah. Right. But it'll be X number of micrograms for the book.
Yeah, for that size.
So we're going to do a couple different tests here. The first is going to be of the surface cover that's painted. So why don't you do that and talk about what you're doing when you're doing it.
Okay. I am unfolding this wipe all the way, completely. And then I'm going in a north to south direction in an S curve. And then I am pressing firmly. And then I'm folding that in half. And then going east to west or west to east. Doesn't matter. Pressing firmly. And then I am folding that again. Then I'm doing the perimeter. And then I'm folding that one last time. And then I'm opening one of the centrifuge tubes, putting that in there.
And we're going to mark this one number 3, and number 3 is going to be the 8.5 by 11 cover of Harry the Dirty Dog to see how much lead is in that. Then, okay, we're going to do a 4th one, and so I'm going to start it as a 4th video so we can start over. So we're going to say see you later, and we're going to come in just a moment, and we're going to be back doing the inside of the book.